Yes, hi guys, welcome to another video of Mai and Tata. Let me first see you. Yes. Oh, yes. In this video, I promise to show you how I make pancakes without bananas. Okay, what is this? Okay, pancakes without bananas, guys. So in the recipe for pancakes is so easy, so simple. I put eggs, I put a little bit of baking powder, a little, because I don't need it much, and I will put of uh, two of the vanilla. I already put 2 eggs. I'll put sugar and a little bit of salt. Okay. I want it sugary because I don't have anything to have it with it. The kids will be taking it to school. Just this salt. Yes, the sugar, it really has to be much because it is the one giving it the taste, and I don't have any syrup or honey or jam. So today I'll put a bit of sugar. Yes, so you can see that's quite a lot of sugar. You see that? Yes. I'll put a little bit of our baking powder, not too much. Oh, look. I'll put it back. I'm cooking it the African way, guys. Don't ask me where is the spoon, where is this, where is that. I'm using the African way, just at home, not filtered, nothing. So don't ask me for lots of things. I'll put my vanilla. Yes, vanilla. Yeah, 2 of them. And I start to what? To stir. Is it called stir or what? I don't know. You tell me. I'll put before I mix it too much, I'll put some butter or some ghee, but not the African one, not the Uganda one, the normal one, the processed ones. You know, in Uganda when we say ghee, we mean omuzigo, not omuzigo Muganda, guys. Omuzigo just ghee, butter. Yeah. So with that I will stir, and before I forget, I'll put our oil, some oil, such that it is not sticky on the pan. Yeah, that is how it is for now, and I will stir until it is really dissolved. I don't want to see the white particles. You see some white things? Yeah, so I want to fix it. By the way, there is a lady in Egypt I'm looking for called Mommy Princess. Please, Mommy Princess, I'm looking for you. Inbox me. My number is on the bio. Send me a WhatsApp and let's begin from there. Yeah, I have some words for you. Yes, guys, so that is it. This is our pancake. This is our pancake mixture. We are going to make it with milk. Okay. So I have to put I will put our powder, our flour. So far I'm using 1 cup. Let's see how it stands. Because since we don't want it like dough, we want it watery, so I put some milk. I'll add a little bit of dough because the kids love the pancakes too much, so I don't have to strain myself making it tomorrow. Yeah, so I added another cup. That goes for more milk. I normally make it with water, but this time I decided to buy milk. So okay. By the way, guys, thank you for watching my and Tata channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and give in the comment section what you would like me to work on next. Yeah, look at that. We are almost getting there. Yes, so I have to, because this is the exact part which I want, I will add in more oil. See that? These are just normal pancakes with only the vanilla flavor. I'll try it. So yummy, but I'll add more sugar because I want it so sugary. I added more sugar. I have to stir so the sugar dissolves before I start to put it on the pan. Yes, we are already there, just as you can see. Yes, guys, we are done. Our I don't know what to call it. Our ingredients are done, or our process is done. Yes, that is it. It really looks nice. Oh, it's really yummy, so tasty, so sugary. Mai&TaTafamily, you want to taste?
Yes.
Taste.
That's why I'm coming. Please, can I really make you go?
Yeah.
Taste. Taste here. Taste. It again.
One time is enough.
It's also, it is better. What are you making?
Making pancakes for you for tomorrow for school.
Yeah, but I'll eat some. Let's go be doing our.
Go do your homework. Go.
When I forget.
Oh, messing up. Yes, guys. So now we are going to go on the pan. Yes, guys, we continue with our pancake. Here I just put a bit of oil, as you can see. No, a bit of ghee. Yeah. And now this is our dough, our pancake. Okay. Yes. That is it. As I told you, this is called English pancake. Okay, this time is going to be very perfect, just like I expected it. Make sure you put a low fire. You put it on low fire. Yeah, low fire. And I told you, when you see these bubbles, it means down. It's really doing a great job. It is getting well on the down part. So slowly you have to wait a bit. It has to be brown down before you take it. You see that it's not yet brown, so we leave it for a while. It has to be brown. You reduce the fire to a very normal temperature, so it is not going to burn it. It's not too much fire. It's not high temperature. Yes, so this is our pancakes without bananas. Yes, you try to press it to get ready on the other side. See that? Last time was a little bit messy, but I promise you that the next time I do it, I will do it in the perfect way. Yeah, I like it more brown than this, so the second one is going to be perfecto. Since it's a low fire, that's why it's taking a while. The aroma is so nice, so tasty. See that? That is the outside part, the front part. But I always prefer this on the top. Let's give it a while. As I was saying, look at it. This is our pancake ready. So we put the second one. Yes, as I told you, just a pinch of the butter to give it a very nice aroma. Yes, and then we take from our ingredients. Some people make bigger than this, but I prefer this size. Some people prefer it more thicker, but I want them to eat something really different. Yeah, this is our second one. I had to change from this pan fire to this one because it is focusing in the middle. So yeah, so let's try it. I don't want it to burn, but I want it to be a little bit brown. Yes, so that is it. Yes. That is it, guys. That is it. That is what I was expecting. You see that, guys? This is our English pancakes. With a little bit. My people, we are down to the last one. You can see that. Yeah. This is our pancakes. This is our pancakes. You see that?